Hello, friends. Welcome back to the English Fluency Podcast with Emma and Daniel.
Hi, everyone. Today's episode is a little different.
It is. Today we're telling a slow English story.
Slow English.
Yes, very slow, very clear, perfect for beginners.
So if English still feels fast and confusing, this episode is for you.
Exactly. We'll speak slowly, use simple words, and pause often.
What's the story about today?
A woman named Anna and her morning at the local market.
I like simple stories like that.
Me too. They help us learn real, everyday English,
Before we start, our small favor.
like this episode. Subscribe to our channel.
And if you want feedback on your own pronunciation, try our free Cambridge Veritas speech analyzer, link in the description.
It's a great tool to practice speaking.
Okay, let's get ready for the story.
First, a few important words. Let's learn 5 words before we listen. This will help you understand the story easily.
Word 1,
Market, a place where people buy fruit, vegetables, and food. For example, Anna goes to the market every morning.
Word 2,
Fresh, new, not old. For example, the vegetables are fresh today.
Word 3,
Neighbor, a person who lives near you. For example, Anna's neighbor is very friendly.
Word 4,
Basket, a container you carry, often for shopping. For example, she carries a small basket.
Word 5,
Greet, to say hello to someone. For example, Anna greets the shopkeeper every day.
market, fresh, neighbor, basket, greet. Got it.
Perfect. Now, let's listen to the story. Remember, listen slowly, and don't worry if you miss a word.
Just relax and enjoy it.
Exactly. Here we go.
If you want to speak English fast, try our AI speech analyzer. The link is in the description.
It is 7 o'clock in the morning. The sun is bright. Anna wakes up slowly. She opens her eyes. She looks at the window. The sky is blue today. Anna gets out of bed. She walks to the kitchen. She makes a cup of tea. She drinks the tea slowly. She looks out the window again. The street is quiet. Anna eats a small breakfast. She has bread and 1 banana. After breakfast, Anna gets ready. She wears a blue dress and comfortable shoes. She picks up her basket. It is time to go to the market.
So Anna wakes up, drinks tea, eats breakfast, and gets her basket?
Yes, exactly. Simple morning steps.
What time does she wake up?
7 o'clock. Good listening, Daniel.
Let's continue the story.
Anna leaves her house. She walks down the street. The street is calm. A few birds sing in the trees. She sees her neighbor, Mr. Lee. He is watering his plants. Anna smiles. She says, "Good morning, Mr. Lee." Mr. Lee looks up. He smiles too. He says, "Good morning, Anna. Beautiful day, isn't it?" Anna nods. She says, "Yes, very beautiful. I'm going to the market." Mr. Lee says, Have a good time. Buy some fresh tomatoes for me, please. Anna laughs. She says, "Of course, I'll bring you some." She continues walking. The market is not far, just 5 minutes away.
Anna greets her neighbor, Mr. Lee, on the way to the market.
Yes, that's right. Do you remember what he asked her to buy?
Tomatoes?
Excellent, fresh tomatoes. Great memory.
This story is easy to follow.
That's the goal. Let's continue.
If you want to speak English fluently, you can join our English course using the link in the description.
Anna arrives at the market. It is busy, but not too crowded. She sees many colorful fruits and vegetables. Red tomatoes, green apples, yellow bananas. Anna walks to her favorite stall. The shopkeeper is an older man named Sam. Sam smiles when he sees Anna. He says, "Good morning, Anna. The tomatoes are very fresh today." Anna says, "Perfect. I need some for myself and some for my neighbor." Sam laughs. He says, "Mr. Lee again?" Anna nods. She says, "Yes, he loves your tomatoes." Sam gives her a big bag of tomatoes. Anna also buys apples, onions, and fresh bread. She pays Sam. She says, "Thank you, Sam. Have a wonderful day." Sam replies, "You too, Anna. See you tomorrow." Anna puts everything in her basket. It is now quite heavy, but she doesn't mind.
So Anna buys tomatoes, apples, onions, and bread?
Yes, well done. Do you remember the shopkeeper's name?
Sam.
Perfect. You're following the story very well.
I love how simple and clear this is.
That's exactly the idea behind slow English stories. Anna leaves the market. Her basket is full and heavy. She walks slowly home. The sun is warmer now. On the way, she sees Mr. Lee again. He is still in his garden. Anna says, "Mr. Lee, I have your tomatoes." Mr. Lee smiles happily. He says, "Thank you so much, Anna. How much do I owe you?" Anna shakes her head. She says, "Nothing. It's a gift between neighbors." Mr. Lee is touched. He says, "You're very kind, Anna. Thank you." Anna smiles and continues walking home. She arrives at her house. She puts the basket on the kitchen table. Anna looks at all the fresh food. She feels happy and satisfied. It has been a simple, good morning.
Anna gives the tomatoes to Mr. Lee for free?
Yes, as a gift, because they are neighbors and friends.
That's a really kind ending.
It is. Small kindness makes a big difference.
If you want to speak English fast, try our AI speech analyzer. The link is in the description.
Now, Daniel, can you try to retell the story in your own simple words?
I can try. Anna wakes up at 7 o'clock. She drinks tea and eats breakfast.
Good start.
Then she walks to the market. She sees her neighbor, Mr. Lee, in his garden.
Yes. Keep going.
At the market, she buys tomatoes, apples, onions, and bread from Sam, the shopkeeper.
Excellent.
On the way home, she gives Mr. Lee some tomatoes as a gift.
Perfect retelling, Daniel. You understood the whole story.
It felt easy because the sentences were short and clear.
That's exactly why slow English helps so much.
What other questions can we ask our listeners?
Good idea. Listeners, what did Anna have for breakfast?
Bread and 1 banana.
And what color dress did Anna wear?
Blue!
Wonderful. If you remembered these details, you understood the story very well. Let's review our 5 words from today, now with the story as context.
Word 1, market.
A place to buy food. Anna went to the market this morning.
Word 2, fresh.
New, not old. The tomatoes were fresh.
Word 3, neighbor.
A person who lives near you. Mr. Lee is Anna's neighbor.
Word 4, basket.
A container for shopping. Anna carried a basket.
Word 5, greet.
To say hello. Anna greeted Mr. Lee and Sam.
These words feel much clearer now after hearing them in the story.
That's the power of learning through context.
If you want to speak English fluently, you can join our English course using the link in the description.
Now, let's practice shadowing. Repeat each sentence after me, slowly and clearly. Anna wakes up slowly.
Anna wakes up slowly.
She walks to the market.
She walks to the market.
The tomatoes are very fresh today.
The tomatoes are very fresh today.
Thank you so much, Anna.
Thank you so much, Anna.
It's a gift between neighbors.
It's a gift between neighbors.
Wonderful. Notice how clear and natural your rhythm sounds.
Repeating really helps the words feel comfortable in my mouth.
Exactly. That's the power of shadowing practice. Daniel, what did we learn today?
A simple, slow English story about Anna's morning at the market.
And 5 useful new words: market, fresh, neighbor, basket, and greet.
Yes, plus retelling and shadowing practice.
What's the most important message today?
Slow English is still real English, and understanding a simple story is a big achievement.
Exactly. Our question for you: could you follow the whole story today?
Tell us in the comments.
What part of the story did you like best?
Share it with other learners.
Please like this episode.
Subscribe for more slow English stories every week.
And don't forget our free Cambridge Veritas speech analyzer, linked below, to check your own pronunciation.
Share this with a friend who's just starting to learn English.
It will really help them.
Thank you for learning with us.
Your English is getting better every day.
This was the English Fluency Podcast.
Until next time, keep listening, keep practicing.
You've got this.
Bye, everyone. See you next week.
Happy learning!
If you learned something new today, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.